As a recruiter, I spend hours a day on LinkedIn, so you don't have to. And I learn a lot of neat stuff about the platform along the way. So I present to you Meta LinkedIn, a series about how to get the most out of the platform. This week's topic is the messaging feature. I like typing just as much as the next fella, but it sure can take a lot of time. Here's 3 ways to send a message without typing, plus a bonus tip. All these features are on the mobile phone application. So hit these buttons to make a message. Send a video message without having to use Loom or YouTube. Hit the plus button, hit the video button, hit the red button, and start recording. You can review with the play button or just send it. Max recording time, 2 minutes. Send a quick voice memo by holding this button, talking, and letting go when you're done. Pronounced Gifs, these fun short videos are sure to liven up any conversation. Hit the plus button, hit the GIFs button, type in the action or emotion you're trying to convey, and take your pick. Be forewarned, as soon as you make your selection, it sends, so don't get too crazy. Is there a person whose connection you value but messages you don't? We've got a solution for that. Hit the 3 dots, hit the mute button, and revel in the sweet silence. If you've got the right tools, LinkedIn messaging can be an exciting way to help your business grow. Have some messaging tips of your own? Please drop them in the comments below.